Again, a couple more. I'm no social media expert for sure. There are plenty of them out there that you can reach out to. But what I do know is it can be a pretty daunting task to try to tackle social media and managing the social aspects of your business by yourself. You need partners, I think, to support your brand, certainly. And technology, as I said, can take you a good way down that road, but it's also, you have to do your part in the equation as well. So, and essentially, I would say, to summarize that, it's about really taking ownership and claiming ownership of your reputation. You own that, and how your business view you virtually. Only you can answer the question of whether your interactions with your customers built on trust, obviously, in a face-to-face environment, or transmitted or translated online as well. And that's critical for us to do, because your reputation essentially is a culmination of all the individual interactions that your customers have with your people. So every employee in your building really needs to be in tune with that, and they will certainly define the experiences that your customers have. So how much energy and for that matter, how much money have you invested in your digital presence? It's certainly something you need to look at. You need to evaluate where you stack up online. Do efforts, again, of your team translate online to build that trust? Because you can't leave this to chance. And that statement at the bottom of this slide is, whether we want to believe it or not, is true. And 92% of people by Nielsen survey will trust a recommendation, either good or bad, from someone they don't even know. And it's happening every day. If you don't believe it, you just have to go out there and look at it. So your reputation is important, and it's probably one of the most valuable things that you have. In fact, I would say going forward, it's probably the difference in the success of your business, or can be a determinant of the difference of the success of your business.